Hi students, this is Suchya teaching economics to class 11 and here I am with the 7th chapter of economics and the name of the chapter is employment, growth, informatisation and other issues. Now this is a very burning issue of the Indian economy, that is employment. There are lots of people looking for employment, educated and uneducated. There are people who are wanting to do a job, but they do not get the job of their choice. Now, all these issues have to be confronted in the chapter. Now, if I say that a country is developed, we cannot say that the point is right, because social justice is delivered only when there is full employment. Because social justice means when every section of the society, when every individual has political, social, economic, all kind of growth, and when there are no finances with the person, when he is not employed, that is the time we cannot say that we are able to provide social justice. And of course, a country cannot be called as a developed country if the majority of the population is unemployed. Therefore, in order to get social justice and in order to term or rate us as a developed nation, we need to have employment. We need to have generation of employment. That is to say, when everybody gets his choice of profession. That is the requirement of the Indian economy. Now, if I am talking of employment, the first thing that I must understand is who is a worker. In a layman's term, a worker is a person who is employed. That is a person who has an employment, who earns money, who is engaged in some kind of productive activity or in some other sector, that is called as a worker.